Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're posing the question, are Thai embassies and consulates unaware of recent changes to Thai visa policy? As I've discussed in other videos, I've been kind of nonplussed by all the, frankly, people that don't have any idea what they're talking about. Oh, we got a new visa this, we got a new that. Well, it takes a minute. And this is an example. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Blowback Begins About Latest Visa Exemptions and DTB Discretion. Quoting directly, the new 5-year and multi-entry destination Thailand visa also has its difficulties as some diplomatic posts seem unaware. Yeah, it takes a minute for this to sort of propagate through the system. Quoting further, applicants must apply from their home country embassy or via the e-visa portal, but not from within Thailand. They do have a mechanism for checking that out. Quoting further, but embassies have yet to catch up. The Thai embassy in London, one of many, appears to be silent on the DTV and still claims that Brits only get 30 days visa free. Well, you know how often the embassies change their websites. It takes them a little time. Quoting further, the Thai embassy in Norway simply reprints the Thai Foreign Affairs Ministry's handout, which leaves many questions unanswered. Very few, if any, embassies go further than that. There is great hesitation in granting the DTV to the alternative soft power applicants claiming to enroll for sports courses or having a hospital appointment. Yeah, I kind of saw that probably would be an issue. Quoting further, what kind of unambiguous detail do they need to provide? Nobody seems to know. Again, this is why when people come out and talk about this, and especially even people within aspects of the establishment talk about it, and they're not in immigration and they talk about immigration protocols very precisely. I keep thinking of that line from the movie Looper where he says, you know, that is a very precise description to describe a very fuzzy mechanism. That's the point. Immigration does things on a case-by-case basis. They apply the law based on the facts. There is no one-size-fits-all for a lot of these questions, one-size-fits-all answer for a lot of these questions. Quoting further, the main disincentive in any case may be the 500,000 baht, around US 14,000 US dollar bond required. You have to be able to show that you have a minimum of at least, I would call it 15,000 if you're thinking about it in dollar terms, because 500,000 go up and down a little bit. But yeah, you got to show 500,000 baht in an account. I'm not overly surprised the embassies are not completely up to speed on this. In fact, I'd be surprised if they were. It takes a minute to watch this stuff sort of trickle through the system, and then they get used to new rules and protocols. So also, you know, a lot of people are looking at some of these new visas and failing to see that oftentimes there are better options, and including among the older visa categories. So again, those who find themselves overwhelmed by this, it might not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.